Hey friends, Rob Cuddy, Application Security Evangelist for HCL Software here. Maybe you've heard me on the Application Paranoia podcast with my co-hosts Colin Bell and Chris Stewart, but did you know that every odd episode in Season 2 we're focusing in on key capabilities and new functionalities in AppScan? Well, in this short video, I want to highlight some of the key capabilities that we talked about in Episode 1. In Episode 1, we talked about new capabilities that have been added towards the end of 2020. And in particular, we talked about how there were changes to the user interface, including a brand new dashboard page in our AppScan on Cloud offering that's well worth checking out. We made some changes in the way that we handle our APIs, including the ability to modify an existing custom policy. And then we also made some fixes for our REST API, and particularly around how we handle webhooks. But the biggest single change that we talked about in that episode that we want to highlight is our ability to now scan for infrastructure as code. And particularly what that means are things like your Docker files, your batch files, your YAML files for those infrastructure as code entities. And this is great news for those who are fitting security into DevOps methodologies, because we know that infrastructure as code and the ability to generate containers is a big part of success in that space. So this new capability opens up brand new possibilities for us to uncover vulnerabilities in the infrastructure as code pieces and include that along with the other vulnerabilities we're finding from static and dynamic testing and our interactive testing as well. So great capability worth checking out. And if you're not sure where to find the Application Paranoia podcast, well, you can find us on appscan.buzzsprout.com, or you can download our podcast on your favorite podcast platform like Spotify or Google Podcasts or Apple Podcasts, or you can engage with us on Twitter at the handle @paranoia. So check it out, and we hope to see you there.